Hello everyone. In last video, you have discussed about uniform circular motion. In this video, we will discuss about examples of objects moving under uniform circular motion. What are the different objects which are under uniform circular motion? First example is motion of moon and earth. The moon rotates around the earth. It makes some orbit, and in that orbit, circular orbit, it moves in a constant speed, moves with a constant speed. Similar like the satellites rotates around the earth in a circular orbit with a constant speed. Similar example like cyclist on the circular track, they are at a constant speed, they are cycling, right? So this is the cyclist and the cyclist on this track, which is shown in yellow color. And this track is in circular shape. So on the circular shape, every cyclist, he will try to maintain his speed constant. So is an example of a uniform circular motion. Other example is athlete throws hammer or disc in the sports meet. So in your some sports competition, we will observe that the athletes, like this spherical ball or like this disc, they will throw in the air. They will stand at some position, and from that position they will throw that hammer or disc. But the thing is how they throw this ball or how they throw this disc. Simply, athlete holds the hammer or disc in the hand. So they will hold this ball or this disc here, maybe with hand, or this is some string he has used. So with this string, they will hold in hand, and they will give a circular motion to this body, like this disc or this spherical ball. They will give the circular motion to the body, and then at a particular position they will throw, like this in this picture. What we can see, suppose this red circle here, he is the athlete, and that athlete, he will rotate he will rotate he will rotate that object, maybe that spherical ball or that disc. He will rotate, and while rotating at a one particular position, maybe this position or this position, at suppose this particular position, he will throw that ball or that disc, right? Actually, these athletes know in which direction they wish to throw, or the particular position they know. Once they come to that position, suppose this position, once they come to that position, they will release that ball or they will throw that ball. And then that spherical ball or that object or that disc will move in this particular direction. If at this position they release it, they throw it, it will move in this direction. If they at this position they release it, it will move in this direction. So if you observe this direction is actually, I will say, it is tangential to this circular path. Whatever the circular orbit they have made while rotating about themselves, simply they are rotating about their own body. Suppose somewhere some axis, if we consider here vertical, so about that vertical axis they will rotate that object. So like this here I have shown, they will rotate it, and at one particular position they will throw it, they will release it, and then tangential to this circular orbit, that object will move in a straight path. Here it is moving in a straight path. At this position it will go in a straight path tangential to this circle. Suppose at this position they release, then tangential to this circle, at in this direction it will move. So like that, they will the object will travel in a straight path, but it is tangential to that circular orbit. So athlete holds the hammer or disc in hand and gives a circular motion about their own body, or about their own axis they will rotate, and at a particular position they will throw, and after throwing that object will move in a straight path which is tangential to the circular orbit what they have made about their own body or about their own axis. So this is an example of uniform circular motion. Thank you.